Hi, welcome back everybody. I've got another video coming out for you. This one I'm really excited about because I've had this for a while, and it's been really hard for me to just not jump into this and start playing with it, letting it sit on the shelf till I get this video done. So anyway, I'm excited about seeing how this works. This is actually a Racent crawler tank, and I just have looked at these things, looked at different ones. The Racent is a little bit more on the expensive side, although it's not horribly expensive, but it was more than some of the others that are listed there. But it's got some more features, so let's check it out. All right, so there we go. Just a kind of a cool box. I'm going to save that for later. Open this up. Here's this guy. Big old guy. And the rest of that is, wait a minute. That's just the box. I think the controller's in here. So there's the remote control. Takes 3 AA batteries. It's got a separate switch for the smoking feature. Okay, that seems to be it for the packing. There's the instructions. I'll probably want to look at those in a bit. But for now, those can go over there. More packing. Get it out of the plastic bag. And here's our guy. And there's a gas can. Not sure where that goes. Oh, I know how that is. There's something, do not use the other buttons on the remote control when turning the power supply on. Okay, thank you for noting that. And this goes in here. This is the plug. That gas can goes right on there. Doors open. I really do not expect any of these characters to come in here, although this is supposedly a 1/12 scale. They just don't have any leg room in there for the characters. Jen, I don't know if you'll be able to fit in there or not. Not really. I've seen a lot of people that have tried to modify these things or have modified them to where characters will fit in there. I'm not sure yet whether I want to do that or not. Or whether we're just going to use them as a prop for photos. So anyway, that's how Jan looks up, standing up there beside it. And Selkirk, let's see, you're a little bit bigger. I know you're never going to fit in that thing. I've read that from other creators that the 12 scale is a little bit small for the 6-inch characters, even though they're supposedly the same scale, and that the 10th inch or the 1/10 scale is actually a better scale for the vehicles for these characters, especially for the bigger ones. And so I may try and find a 1/10 scale vehicle to use and see how they compare with these guys. Haven't decided quite at what I'm going to do on that. I have been looking at some different RC vehicles, maybe a Traxxas 1/10 or something like that. But those are very expensive, and I really don't have the funds right now to spend on that. But anyway, this was less than $100. It's pretty cool. I'm going to charge the batteries up, and we'll give it a shot and see how how it goes. All right, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, I wanted to show you this thing that I figured out on this. On the bottom of it, one of the batteries comes in the back, as you saw when I opened it up. It comes with a second battery, and I had forgotten about that. There's a screw here, rather little long screw that took a while to get out, so I'm not going to make you sit and watch that. But then you open this up, there's the second battery, and there's the battery charger. So that's where the charger is, and there's a spot where you can keep that, and then this plugs into this connector. That goes back on there. I have no idea whether the batteries are charged up or not. Oh, wait a minute, something's happening. Look, the lights are flashing. So we're going to need batteries for the remote. Okay, then that slides in, and I got power. Smoking is off. Oh, wait a minute, there's the power. Whoa! I don't have any room to play with it here. Well, there you go. I can't wait to get this out and play with it. I'll do some bashing videos here with you in a little bit. I'll take it out in the backyard and run it a little bit. You can see what's going on. Maybe take a couple of photos with some of these new guys. So I'll be back. Bye.